My sister is a scientist who lived on like deadlines, experiments, and late nights results that never come to end. She woke up at 6 a.m., ran experiment till midnight, slept for 5 hours, and repeated it all over again. She kept pushing because that's what scientists do. But slowly, that exhaustion of not getting results is crept deep into her mind. Kind of tiredness is not fixed by sleep only. In Ayurveda, it has a name called Manas Am, and the healing practice which is useful for this is Manas Shodhana.
Why I'm telling you this? Because we are living in a time where being exhausted has become the normal thing and suffering in silence has become the strength. And nobody's talking about the cleaning, the one thing that controls everything is your mind.